Thank you for visiting West Coast Auto Enthusiast. Today we're featuring a 2019 GMC Duramax diesel. It's a 3500 Denali. It's a clean title, clean Carfax car. We took this on trade from a customer who downsized and bought a 2017 Ram from us. It had a $71,000 MSRP. It is the Duramax Plus package, which means it's got an upgraded Allison transmission. I think it's the 6-speed. And then of course the Denali is the upper level trim, and the HD is heavy duty. It's got a 6-inch Bilstein lift kit on it. It's got XD wheels on it, 35s, and those I think are the only modifications I'm aware of. It's super clean, 36,500 miles on it basically. And basically a back and forth to work truck. So it has a spray and bed liner on it that's in really good shape. You've got sliders or steps, depending on how you want to use them, I guess. Really clean, as you can see. It's an Oregon car, came out of Albany. And a tow package, of course. So there's your bed liner, really clean. You know, maybe weekend use, definitely not work stuff. You can see in the wheel well, so it's not been off-roaded, hasn't been beat up, not been abused. Super clean. We've got 2 master keys. I've got a window sticker that we produced through Monroney, and we've got books for it. So front parking sensors, you can see by the dimples in the bumper. It is big, there's no doubting that. So we've got full WeatherTech, or I don't know if they're WeatherTech, full winter mats, a set, and then we've got carpet also that we have in here just on top of those. You can see the upholstery is super clean. Got a single sunroof in the front. There's your door trim. You do have wood trim. It does have a mechanical key. And you have trailer mirrors with blind spot. Yeah, so those are GMC. They probably contracted for WeatherTech. That's what it looks like anyways. So super clean. You've got Bose upgraded sound. So we do have 2 master keys and 2 blades. So as I mentioned, you've got a trailer mirror, which is super helpful, and then you have a I think that's those are LED lights, then the signal indicator. Your transfer case is on the left. You've got tow stuff for trailer brake gain. You've got 4-wheel drive, 4 high, 4 low, headlights, windows, mirror, stuff like that. So you do have a charging station in your center console, and then in here you've got USB jacks for charging. You've got power sources here, a bunch of them. So those are nice. And then brake stuff, hill descent control, lane change, park assist, bed lights, traction control, delete, adjustable pedals. You do have heated and ventilated seats. You've got dual auto climate control. There's your media interface. So let me turn that off real quick. So radio, satellite radio, HD radio, your home. It is a touchscreen, so you've got all kinds of stuff on here. You've got TravelLink, you do have Wi-Fi, navigation, you have OnStar. So this, you've got 3 dots here, so this is an indication you're in the middle, and you've got one more. So that's WSJ's Wall Street Journal, Times, People. So those are magazines, traffic information, your ability to download apps. And then this is all your functional stuff, so your settings, your Bluetooth, your audio. You've got a backup camera, which you can see. So you've got a leather wrapped steering wheel, you've got a multi-function steering wheel, you have a stitched dash, which is nice. So this is your onboard computer stuff and your display, and then that is your ability to voice activation and phone stuff. You do have a heated steering wheel. Over here is cruise control, your ability to adjust it, modify it. Trying to think of what else. So OnStar here, you've got 3 buttons up here, programmable for security gates and garage door openers. Trying to think of anything else. I think that's it. So, digital display in the middle. As I mentioned, it's 36,549 miles. So you've got 2 glove boxes, you've got books here, just storage there. Pretty straightforward. I mean, it's not capable of towing anything you want to tow. And lower mileage for the year, and for most people tow with these or use them for extensive or extended road trips. So this is a low mileage truck, and it was a commuter to and from work down in Albany. So super nice, really well taken care of. If you have any questions or would like additional information, please feel free to contact us, and we can be reached at 503-227-2354. And thank you for visiting West Coast Auto Enthusiast.